in a different position today. I just opened the curtains and I have the camera in my hand. I thought I might just start looking here. I just heard Fuzzy bark upstairs. I don't know if Kevin's awake or asleep, I don't know. But anyway, good morning. Did I already say that? I don't know, sorry, I got distracted. I get distracted very easily these days. You probably gathered that. Kevin's up. I think I'm feeling okay finally after 5 days. I'm not feeling great. Let's just hope it's still early. Who knows? Yesterday I was a bit up and down. I was a lot better yesterday and a bit of a rough start in the morning. I ended up getting the rest of my cleaning done because all I did during the week, no, I hadn't done anything actually. Christy just dusted and did the glass surfaces for me. So between Kevin and myself, we got it all done yesterday. Mostly me, but just a basic clean, like so. But done to my weekly standards, so that was good. I just didn't do like any shower screens, things like that. But I got the toilets done and vanity, the kitchen got all done. Kevin vacuumed all the carpets for me. I got the floors all mopped, so I was happy to at least get that done. So now I can have my weekend. I don't have to feel guilty about doing anything. It's a bit of a wet start out there today, but I just looked at the forecast and it said it's going to be sunny. So, but it's been cold. We had nice weather during the week. I think I blogged on one of the nice days. Yeah, so we had a couple of really nice days during the week, like spring-like weather. But back to winter again. Even standing here near the window because I opened the curtains, I can feel that cold air coming through. Look behind me. Look at that. We have not seen that for quite some time, because obviously I don't have a puzzle to do at the moment, but actually I will have today because I believe my puzzles have been delivered to Kevin's work and he was off yesterday. So I said, well, maybe over the weekend you can go in and pick up my puzzles for me so I can start work on the next one. But I must say, I do like having the table cleared off, but I enjoy working on my puzzles, so that's okay. We'll have puzzles back there again, hopefully today, maybe even, or tomorrow, we'll see. Anyway, obviously no plans for the weekend. I don't know, people are getting out and about more now, but I'm still very nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous, and it's winter, so it's not a time when we usually go out and about anyway, because, and yeah, I just wouldn't know what to do at the moment. It's not like not away in the motorhome, no shows are on, so the things that we do aren't available to do. So, or things I'd feel comfortable doing anyway. I'm not sure, like if museums are open and things like that, but I don't know I'd feel comfortable going to one yet. Victoria's got a lot of cases, increasing cases down there. I mean, nothing compared to the States, but I'm very scared for my American friends, I must say. I hope you are all being careful and, yeah, being careful. Wear your masks and just go where you need to go, I guess, especially if you're in the States that are skyrocketing case numbers. And we're super glad the Disney trip is off because, yeah, it seems very out of control, the numbers. And you guys have got Independence Day tomorrow, is it? Oh no, it's the 4th today, so, but obviously not till tomorrow in America, but yeah. I hope you guys had a nice quiet celebration this year. It'll be back again next year, and hopefully next year everyone can celebrate and have their big parties that they usually have. But yeah, at the moment things need to be a little bit different. Anyway, enough about that. You can tell me watching the news this morning, can't you? Anyway, yeah, so I'll just be sitting down for lunch tomorrow, which is normal. Movies watching with Christy tonight and tomorrow night. I think I'm going to watch Hamilton tonight, because Kevin and I don't know how, we're not really like hip hop fans, so I thought we'll watch the musical and then we'll decide whether it's worth spending, you know, a lot of money to go and see the show when it comes to Australia. I think next year, I think it's coming here. So Christy and Theo obviously big fans, so we'll watch that tonight. Anyway, I'm going to go get another cup of tea. I can hear Kevin coming down the stairs. So, yeah. And all my puppies. Morning, Mr. Whistle.
No, it's going to rain in 6 minutes.
Is it? I was just looking at the forecast and it says,
Yes.
And it says sunny for most of the day. Oh my goodness. That was a Chewbacca noise. Did you hear that? Hey, stop it. You're being naughty. Golden disgrace.
Where is he being naughty?
No, hey, Bailey. No, she'd been very good. She's got the cone off at the moment because she actually, well, let's check that foot because her foot was underneath her before. I hope it's a nice dry foot. Yeah, it feels dry. She's been sitting beside me, so. You've been a good girl this morning. The cone's downstairs ready to go back on because if you notice my carpet's got some nice blood spots on it. Because she chewed a toe yesterday when we left the cone off for a little bit. Give her a break. She can't be trusted. Nice simple breakfast today. Wheat Bix, banana and soy milk. And of course a cup of tea. And we are talking about how much tea I'm drinking at the moment. Being winter, it's been rather a lot. I had a bit of a fail, you can see from the smudged footprint.
That was a perfect footprint until you licked it.
I had my teacup here, I'm sitting sideways on the couch, and I thought it was finished, but he ran, I didn't think about it anyway, and he put his paw right in it. And then put paw prints all over Daddy's side of Daddy's couch. What happened, Coda? Did you get a tea foot? That's different, isn't it? I guess luckily I've almost finished my tea. What happened, little bear? Did you like that? I don't know about that. I have my foot in there. Coda bear. What happened? Did you get a wet foot? Funny boy. I thought, don't use your cup on that couch. You're going to sit up there with Mr. Snuggles. It's a good boys. So today's big question is, do I stay in my Peter Rabbit pyjamas? Or do I go and get dressed for the day? I can't decide. Thanks, Rosie, for deciding to drink right when I'm filming. And Charlie's also singing away. Oh gosh. We'll wait. Let's wait. Are we done? Thank you. So while I contemplate that big decision I need to make, I'm going to get the dishwasher emptied. And if I haven't made my decision, but then I'll make another cup of tea and contemplate a little while longer. Become Kevin's job now, the dog water, isn't it? Well, I just cleaned the bottom for you. That's pretty easy. No, it's really just an excuse to give Kevin that job. Well, knowing me, I would spill the water everywhere.
And what would that cause a problem?
Well, no, you didn't see the water last night all over the floor. Well, hello. Hello. Oh, I'm not a clawing mat. What do you think this is? Goes, well, how else am I going to see what's happening? Puppies aren't supposed to be on the bench, are they? It's hard to say no to him, though.
You want to play?
He was pushing against me, so if I have to stay here and then jump off.
Are we going to get down then, or are we staying up?
I'm trying to get down. I'm going to just walk underneath him. Just run the vacuum through the kitchen and the lounge room. Kevin said, didn't we just do this yesterday? And I said, yes, but the Goldens have still dropped a lot of fluff since then. So, and I'm just trying to get in the habit of doing that. It took minutes. I can do that every day, and the bathroom front entry every couple of days, because again, the golden fur ends up clumped in there, and the breeze must blow through certain areas. You always find it in the same spot, so I can do that every day. Particularly the kitchen and the lounge room where we're in a lot. That will be good. I'm trying to get in the habit of that. So I've done that. I'm going to go up and have a quick shower and get dressed, I think. Still don't know what to do. I'm tempted to go to Aldi today. I just don't know how good I'm feeling. But then if I'm feeling good, I'd kind of like to take the doggies out. So it's like, oh, I don't know. I feel an awful lot better. I just kind of don't want to push it and end up not feeling great again. So I'm tempted to sort of take an easy day today and then maybe do more tomorrow. So I haven't ordered my groceries yet for this week. Kevin did a little shop the other day. On Friday, I think he picked up a few things on his way home from work. I don't know, anyway, it was like we did a shop last Friday, so we should be needing his stuff, but we're not desperate for much yet. Must have done a good shop last week. But obviously, today I wanted to get things later in the week, so Saturday, Sunday, like I used to do, and then I used to do my food prep on the Monday, or part on the weekend. So I really should try and get most of my fruit and veggies today. So we should go to Aldi, because otherwise it's going to be tomorrow afternoon, and I probably won't do anything in the afternoon tomorrow after lunch. So I'll go up, I'll have my shower, see how I'm feeling after that. If I feel decent, I think I'll get myself dressed and say to Kevin, let's go to Aldi. Hopefully maybe towards lunchtime it'll be a bit quieter, because I don't know how busy it would be. I'm a bit nervous about going to places. I don't know why. I don't really think I'm going to get it, but I'm just a bit nervous. I don't know why. Because I know I haven't been anywhere to get it. Anyway, whatever, it's fine. I think I'm just so out of the habit of dealing with it out in the world, because I haven't been out in the world for a while now. Like, we're going grocery shopping early, but once they restarted the pickup service, I haven't been to the shop since then. All I've done is take my dogs for a walk. Anyway, I'll stop raving on and I will go in and get ready. Okay, I've gone and got dressed. I've made my side of the bed. I haven't made Kevin's. I have an idea for a little outing. I'll go run it by Kevin and we'll see. But look, I actually kind of got dressed properly today. Not just, well, it's comfy around the house clothes, but I did actually make, well, it's cold out there, so I had to make a bit more of a warmer top. Had to put a bit of a warmer top on. But I still didn't give myself any eyebrows, which I should have done, but it's okay. You've seen me lace all day anyway. Alright, I'll go and see what Kevin thinks about my idea. Okay, my idea was accepted. And Chrissy's coming too. I want to go, oh gosh, sorry, Ken, I just jumped up at me. I want to go pick up puzzles that are set from Kevin's office. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to take the Groodles to a dog park. It's one I haven't been to before, but it's all fenced in. So I'll take the Goldens over next door. And they've both got to go have showers, even though I'm ready to go now. So I'm going to get some water to take in the car, and then I will take the doggies over next door, bring the Groodles back, and then hopefully I won't be too long getting ready. Because it is getting on, it's like nearly 12 o'clock, but I want to go before lunch. Just because I'd rather go before lunch. I'm feeling ready to go now, I feel quite good now. After lunch I might be more settled and might not want to get up and leave. So anyway, well, yeah, that'll be fine. I'll grab an apple or something to eat, or a kind bar or something I'll eat in the car on the way. Time after lunchtime, we're just doing veggie burgers for lunch, so that's pretty much done. That won't take long to put together when we get home. So yeah, that's our plan. So that'll be nice, actually doing something. So, and Christy's depression's been bad again, so she said it'll be good for her to get out of the house. So, yeah, good for all of us. Especially the Groodle, they will love it. Keno, he likes other dogs, just like other people, but he should be fine. And I never followed up on the halty that we got for Coda. It was a disaster when it comes to walking, even though it's supposed to be a no pull harness, so the harness, it's supposed to be a no pull harness. Kevin said, I don't know what you expected from that, but he walked abysmally on it. So he's back into the halty, goes over his nose. He's walking good again, but the harness will be very good for in the car, because the other one was a bit small anyway, because of his puppy one. So he'll have that to wear in the car, and hopefully I can find out all the car seats and whatnot, because I don't know where they all are. Is it here? I thought they had a fenced in area. Huh. There you go. Oh, is that over there, Kevin, a fenced in area? No, it's not fenced in at all. Alrighty, sit down. I have got treats if we need treats for him. I thought I wanted to see him running.
Look at those bells! Are you happy?
Tina hasn't got to run. What the run? Oh my goodness. Where are you off to?
Tina!
Tina, back this way, Tina. That's a Groodle for sure.
Chase like that. He likes to be chased.
Oh, he does. Coda, you been good? Good boy. Oh, hello. Oh, you scared, darling. The puppy wanted to play. Oh, I didn't realise he was scared. Sweetie, we thought you were having fun. He was like a terrified away. Was a very fun outing. Hope you enjoy seeing the puppies having fun at the dog park. Don't know what footage I got. I took some and Kevin took some, so hopefully it's been good. They had a lovely time. Except for Chewy being scared. I knew he didn't like people, but he was scared of other doggies. That's so sad. I didn't know he was scared of other dogs. Anyway, I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna get on with our lunch, and then I've got my box of puzzles to open, but I'm gonna get lunch started first. So lunch is underway, and I'm just gonna show you my puzzles. I'm very excited.
Well, you're the one that started vlogging without warning.
Thanks, Mr. Withnell. So, these are all different brands to what I've tried before, because mainly I do those Disney ones. So, I've got two. Oh, I got a 100 and a 1,000. No, I got 1,000 and a 100 piece from this brand, and a Tolian, and then Fun Box. That's a 1,000 piece one. I just look for ones that have got like lots of different colours, and hopefully I'll be able to put them together. But without trying the brand, I just don't know. And then these ones I thought look so fun. I like you can tell I like illustrated puzzles. So I've got a 1,000 piece, and then the two 500 pieces. So I'm very excited. Look, it's got little puppies. What are puppies? That could be me. Anyway, so yeah, I'm excited about them. Hello, what's happening here? What's happening here? I'm not sure what's happening here. Were you trying to see Coda? Oh, it's Chemo's turn. I think they had the best day ever. The bestest day ever. Well, I come through to work on one of my puzzles because Kevin's gone up to sleep. I thought, oh, I should come and work on a puzzle. And there was a box of the other puzzles that I'd ordered had come. Not the ones I ordered like 6 weeks ago. They still haven't turned up. So I got that one. These are Ravensborough ones. Or Ravensburger. I don't know. I think it's Burger. I don't know. Ravensburger probably. I got that one. Little van life one. That was really cute. And that one Disney one. Got an Alice in Wonderland one. again, so I get lots of, I like my illustrated ones and I like busy ones with lots of different colours and patterns, and makes them a bit easier. I do not know which one to do first now. I've got 9 to choose from. That will definitely keep me out of trouble, won't it? Oh, how do I choose the next one? I was going to do one of these ones. I think I might do one of these 500 piece ones. Maybe that one. I'd kind of like to give these ones a go. Alright, I might try that one. Okay, well, Kevin went up to have a sleep. I started working on my jigsaw and I got through that much. This puzzle's a little bit easy for me. It's okay, I don't mind doing an easy one, and I'm thinking the 1,000 piece of that version will be a bit harder. I don't know, it's nice. The puzzle pieces smell really good, but obviously I'm going to get done pretty quickly. But that's okay, I don't mind. I'd probably rather that than too hard. Got to try and get it just right though.